Good morning, everyone. So I am going to be trying my hand at vlogging again because why not? I did my makeup. I do my makeup every day. Might as well go in front of the camera because I do my makeup. That's a horrible excuse. Anyway, so it is Tuesday, August 28th. So today I have school. I say a lot. I have school today. I have music comtech, I have my voice lesson, I have a coaching for violin, chamber ensemble, and I have concert choir. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I don't know if it'll be interesting, if it'll be boring. I don't know. This is gonna be going up on my second channel, Feliza Estrada Life, and I figure I'm just gonna make this channel more of just a personal channel, just like, you know, I want to upload things that I don't think will fit on my main channel. My main channel is mainly for art and music. I have been doing vlogs there, and I don't really think, I don't know, I just kind of want to stay on brand with what I want to do and just stick to art and music on my main channel, and this is going to be more personal stuff. So, hello, I'm about to sneeze. Oh gosh, not on camera, not on camera. Okay, sneeze done. Anyway, oh, I can wear this today. Today I'm wearing a Minnie Mouse dress. Don't know if you can see this. I don't really have a full-length mirror in my house, but I will take a full body shot when I'm at school. I can wear this on brand because this is the thumbnail of my, or the profile pic of my channel, just this bow. I love this bow so much. But yeah, right now I'm waiting for this little camera battery to charge, and then I'm going to print out some papers for school and just do normal school things. So in vocal classes, or in my vocal lessons, for every piece that we do, we're required to write a little short summary of it. So to talk about the composer, the lyricist, what the musical is about, what my character is, and like where the song that I'm singing takes place. So I'm singing two songs. I'm singing I Can't Say No from the musical Oklahoma, and I'm singing Worst Pies in London from Sweeney Todd. I know there's a longer title to Sweeney Todd. I think it's like the Demon Barber on Fleet Street. I don't know. Well, I shouldn't. I do know, but yeah. And my house is a mess. So we just moved. I just moved my studio back home. Instead of being at, you know, at the Arts Alliance downtown, it's now back home, so less of a commute to work, which is great. Hey, Sprinkles. He's still baby. You're a little baby. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. He's the other little monster. Hello, Mittens. She's called Mittens because she has these little mittens on her. Okay, fine. No pets for you. Hey everyone, so I'm back home. I didn't do much vlogging at school because it's just tough sometimes and I get a bit nervous. And, sorry, I'm just like moving some stuff. And on Tuesdays, I just realized how hectic my schedule is on Tuesdays. So I have like 4 back-to-back classes, and it's really tough to, you know, pull up my camera in between classes and do things, because there's like no like time in between. So I have my, at 11 o'clock I have music comp tech, and then I'll have my voice lesson. Then after voice lesson I have a chamber ensemble coaching, and then I have choir. So just a lot of, just 4 classes. It's just 4 classes, but they take up a lot of time. So yeah, so that's why I didn't vlog much today. And I don't know, I've been feeling really tired lately, mostly because I'm trying out this new diet and just trying to, you know, my body's just trying to adjust to that because, you know, I need to lose weight. I want to lose weight. So, yeah. But anyway, I do have something fun for you guys. I got this package from Ulta. A few things that I ordered. I didn't expect it to come so soon, so I'll go ahead and open this for you guys and you can see what all the stuff I got. I didn't get much. I don't know, I don't think it's that interesting, but we'll go ahead and just open this up and see. Pretty small box. I think it's pretty cute. I love the little Ulta sign on there. I got some packaging. Oh, one of the things bursted. Oh, I think they both bursted. Okay. My box, we got a perfume sample with Johnny Depp on it. Ooh, Johnny Depp. Receipt stuff. Okay, this is a Morphe sponge that I ordered. My cat's outside meowing. Okay, we got a Morphe sponge. Highlight and contour beauty sponge. Ooh. Let me go let my cat in. I think she just wants inside. Be right back. What? What means? Mittens. Oh, she found a box. Okay. Whew. Mittens, don't come inside. There's still things in there. Alright, let's see what else we got. Mittens, can you move? Move, Mittens. Mittens, why? Okay, so let's open the box from here. I don't know. I just like pulling stuff out because I think that's more interesting. Okay, let's dive into what else. So, the first item is a Morphe contour sponge. I wanted to get a new sponge because the one I'm using is kind of bad and it's getting all crusty. So, figured, hey, let's get a new one. Okay, then we have some Angel Veil. This is a primer from NYX, which I wanted to try out, so I got this. Let's see. Oh, we have some glitter glue because I have a palette, the Too Faced Glitter Bomb palette, and I wanted to use the glitter primer with it, so figured I'd get some glitter primer. This is from NYX. We have two things in bottles. Go ahead and open this up. So I wanted to try this stuff out. This is NYX Matte Finish. It's supposed to be like kind of comparable to the Urban Decay All Nighter. So I wanted to try this out and see if it was like that. Maybe it's a budget option for me. And then we have a primer base spray. Sorry, my cat's walking on the bed. Hey, Mittens. And so wanted to try that because just to see. Okay, and then we have some Stila eyeliner in black. This is my favorite eyeliner. It lasts forever. Oh, like, I think I got my first tube of this stuff around this time last year, and I've still been using it, and it's only now starting to die, so I figured I'd go ahead and just get another one. Alright, and I wanted to try out this mascara. This is Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. Again, it's supposed to be like a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascaras, and then I'm like, let's see. So, I think I got it. Alright, and here we got a set of more beauty sponges because I like applying makeup with beauty sponges, so I figured, hey, let's get more, shall we? Yes. And that's what I got. Oh, I got a new sharpener for my lip pencils and eye pencils because somehow my sharpeners always end up in my art studio, and I use them for art supplies, which it's really bad, and yeah, so I shouldn't do that. Next we have the SPF Wet n Wild SPF Cushion Foundation. I think this is just a refill, I'm not sure. But I really enjoy this foundation. I think this is one shade darker than the one I already have, so I think that might be a bit better for me because I'm not as pale as I think I am. So yeah, got that. It's one of my favorite foundations. It's really affordable and it's really light, so yeah. Alright, and the last, but certainly not least, is the Urban Decay Naked Palette. So I saw that, so I saw that this palette was being discontinued, so, you know, I figured, you know, why not get it since it's 50% off. But I've been wanting this palette ever since like I discovered Urban Decay. I didn't discover it, well, I found out about Urban Decay, so yeah, it's all velvety. It's so cool. Oh, it's so cute. Urban Decay Naked palette. I do have the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and then I have the Naked Heat palette, so I guess I'll wait for the Naked 2 to go on sale. I didn't really get the Naked Smoky Eye one. I don't know, I just didn't like it. It's velvet, that's so weird. It's gonna be so hard to clean, oh my gosh. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my little Ulta haul. But anyway, so I don't know, I'm really tired. I'm thinking of just going to bed. I don't feel like practicing tonight. My cat's weird. Okay, she comes into my room and then she walks around and then she meows to get out. So it's a weird cat. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's pretty much it. I really have nothing more to say. I'm just going to be sitting here trying to relax, trying to look at getting some homework done and take a nap, and maybe I'll wake up later and do some practicing. I don't know. I should. I definitely should. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a future video. Bye! Oh, I forgot to say, if you're not already, become a member of the Feliza fam. Follow me on all my social media. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my main channel. And everything is linked down in the description below. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll see you. Bye!